Sir, that adjutant we recovered is down in the lab. She's all powered up.
Talk to me, you old piece of junk. What do you know?
User identified. Raynor, James, ex-Marshal, Marsara Colony. Joined Sons of Korhal Terrorist Group. Status, criminal.
Enough about me, darling. What else you got locked up in that synthetic head of yours?
User status, criminal. Access denied.
Playing hard to get, huh? We'll see about that. Robbing a train again get you feeling nostalgic?
Damn straight. We must have hit the Shell Express a dozen times back in the day. Oh, that keeper never got old.
Almost got us killed when they smartened up and started using outriders to chase us.
Never was a man of them could keep up with you on a vulture, Jimmy. Just added to the fun. How the hell you got a job as marshal after all that? I'll never know.
Ladies and gentlemen, each night I bring you the news in the most fair and balanced manner possible. But tonight I have a commentary. Some have asked me what the difference is between our leader, Emperor Mengsk, and the traitor Jim Raynor. They point out that Mengsk rebelled against the government of his youth and came to power through the use of violence and subversion. Why is it wrong for Jim Raynor to rebel in similar fashion? There is a difference. When Emperor Mengsk began his revolution, there was no threat hanging over humanity. James Raynor is waging his revolution while we are at war with 2 alien races. James Raynor, have you no conscience? Shouldn't you fall in line, putting your petty complaints aside as we struggle for humanity's very survival against this alien menace?
Everyone's a critic.
Jim, let me in. What really happened on Tarsonis? Whatever it was, I can see it tearing you up inside.
Tarsonis. That's where it all went down. Meng stole a psi emitter from the Confederacy and planted it there. He knew that it'd attract the Zerg, and our revolution began that day. The day Mengsk murdered a whole planet and called it justice.
My God. Billions of innocent people. That's just monstrous. No wonder you hate him so much.
I've been looking for an encryption expert so we can access the adjutant we recovered. No luck so far.
Colonel Orlin at Dead Man's Port can crack anything. Haven't been back there in a while. Say, didn't you end up getting married last time we were there?
I told you before, if I knew what the prize was, I never would have joined that card game.
There's just something about a lover's reunion that chokes me up.
The Mobius boys think there's another artifact in a world called Monolith. Supposedly there's Protoss guarding it. A group of fanatics call themselves the Tal'Darim. Now don't get all sentimental thinking these Tal'Darim are your old Protoss buddies, 'cause they ain't. There it is, Jimmy. Just like Mobius said. Easy money.
I don't know. There's a lot of Protoss down there. We're gonna have to... What the?
Warning. Multiple Zerg biosignatures detected.
Ah, hell.
Them critters were just hiding underground, waiting?
No idea, but you can bet they're headed straight for our shrine.
Well, that show complicates things. We can't fight two armies at once, partner.
With any luck, we won't have to. We only need to hold the area at the top of the shrine long enough to extract the artifact. So we'll land here and cut our way through the Protoss lines while they're busy with the Zerg. It's only a matter of time before the Zerg overwhelm the Protoss. We'd best grab the artifact and be long gone by then.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
This better be good.
The Zerg severely outnumber the Protoss forces. It is likely the Protoss will fall shortly.
Then we've got to get that artifact before the Zerg overrun the whole place.
Warning, Protoss stalkers are gathering at our perimeter.
SCV ready.
Incoming transmission.
I got something new for you, cowboy. Marauders, the latest word in big bada-boom hardware.
I ain't sure this is the best time to be experimenting, Swan.
Best time there is. Let the Marauders loose against those stalkers and you'll see.
Armed and ready.
SCV ready.
Roger that. Will do.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Been waiting on you.
Go ahead. Will do. SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Armed and ready.
SCV ready. Woohoo! Overtime.
Been waiting on you. Who was? Got a whole lot of luck.
SCV ready. Huh? Bad news?
Insufficient
SCV
S4
ready.
gas.
Armed and ready.
Big job, huh? SCV ready.
Warning, incoming Zerg attack wave detected.
SCV ready. In the rear with the gear. SCV ready.
You want a piece of me, boy?
SCV ready. SCV ready. Yo.
Armed and ready.
SCV ready.
This better be good.
SCV ready. Huh? SCV ready.
The doctor is in.
I'm going. SCV ready.
Gangway, coming through.
SCV ready. Yo.
Who wants some?
SCV ready. SCV ready.
The doctor is in.
SCV ready.
Upgrade complete.
Who wants some?
Go ahead. Yeah, whatever.
Add-on.
Gangway, coming through.
We hear you.
Armed and ready.
Not enough minerals.
This better be good.
Why not?
Gangway, coming.
Oh, it's on.
Who wants some?
The doctor is in.
Armed and ready.
The doctor is in. The doctor is in.
Who wants some? Gangway, coming through. Sure thing. Aye, aye.
Upgrade complete.
Armed and ready. Kaboom, baby! Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Sure. Why not? Got it. This better be good.
The doctor is in.
Roger that. You gonna get who wants some? Why not? Aye, aye. Gangway, coming.
The doctor is in.
Been waiting on you. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Roger that. I'm on. This is crazy, man. We can't take the Zerg in a stand-up fight, and you know it.
Leave the tactics to me, Takas.
Gangway, coming through. I'm on. You want a piece of me, boy? What's up? Gangway, coming through. Oh, yeah. Go, go, go!
In the rear with the gear. Uh-huh.
The doctor is in. The doctor is in.
By the numbers, boys. You gonna give me orders?
The doctor is in. The doctor is in.
Armed and ready. Been waiting on you.
The doctor is in.
You gonna give me orders? You want a piece of me, boy? Gangway, coming through.
Huh? Yes, sir. Yeah. I can't build here.
This better be good. Go, go, go! By the number. Armed and ready. Gangway, coming through. Go, go, go! Gangway, coming through.
Add-on complete.
Roger that. We could use some help here. You want a piece of me, boy? Can't wait. Go, go, go! That's fine. I'm on it. By the numbers, boy. Got it.
The
Affirmative.
doctor is in.
Gangway, coming through. Go, go, go! I'm on it. Will do.
The doctor is in.
Awesome. Go, go, go! Armed and ready. You gonna give me
The
orders?
doctor is in.
Go, go,
The
go!
doctor is in. The doctor is in.
This better be good. I'm on it. Gangway, coming through.
The doctor is in. The doctor is in.
Give me some.
The doctor is in.
I'm on it. And more. This better be good. Want some? Gangway, coming through. You gonna give me orders? 10-4. Sure. Got it. This better be good. Oh, yeah. Who wants some? Armed and ready. I'm on it.
Our SCVs are under attack.
Go, go, go! This better be good. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. You gonna give me orders? Armed and ready. You want a piece of me, boy? By the numbers, boys.
Mineral
Armed and ready. Gangway, coming through. Been waiting on you.
Mineral field depleted.
What's going on?
Go, go, go! Gangway,
You scared me.
coming through.
Big job, huh? In the rear with the... Go ahead. Bad news? Huh?
This better be good. Got it. Who wants some? Gangway, coming through. Of course. You want a piece of me, boy? Been waiting on you.
Mineral field depleted.
By the numbers, boys. Go, go, go! Will do. Gangway, coming through. Roger that. You gonna give me orders? Orders received. Gangway, coming through. Who wants some? Yes, sir.
Mineral field depleted.
Booyah! Armed and ready. Been waiting on you.
Mineral field depleted.
Keep your shit. This better be good.
What the?
Mineral field depleted.
Affirmative.
I got a crew coming down to pick up the artifact.
We got what we came for. Let's hightail it out of here.
I forgot how resourceful you were, Jim. I won't make that mistake twice.
Kerrigan.